Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Today is a very exciting day because I'm going to be unboxing a mystery box. You know what they say, it's always good to add a little mystery to your life, so that's why I went out and bought myself the Colourette mystery bag. I am so excited to see what is in this bag, and I'm also planning to do a look with it. That's why there's not much color on my face right now. I mean, I did my face, I did my brows, I did a lot of things. So basically there is no color on my face whatsoever except for my lips because it was kind of chapped, so I had to put lip balm on, and it's kind of tinted, so that's why there's a little bit of color, but all the color for today's look will come from this bag. For those of you who have never heard of Colourette, it's actually a local brand here in the Philippines, and they just come out with amazing colors. It's actually one of those brands that I've been meaning to try, but I just never got around to doing it, so I'm getting around to it today. Before I get into this mystery box unboxing first impressions type of video, I just want to invite you guys to subscribe to my channel and of course to click that notification bell so you can become one of my lovelies. I am so excited to see what's in this mystery bag, so let's get started. This Colourette mystery bag is a Lazada exclusive, so I had to order it off Lazada. This one is the 999 mystery bag, and they have another one which is $4.99, but you know, I don't know, I just went with this one because, I don't know, go big or go home. I guess I just wanted to try as much products as I could, and this is the biggest bag I could get. So this is how the bag looks like. It's their basic black paper bag. I actually don't know how their paper bags actually look like. This could have been made specifically for this mystery bag, but I have no idea. There's this cute sticker on it. It says open for a surprise, and the other side says we can't wait for you to see what we packed inside our mystery box, babes. Love your team Colourette. This is it. Let's do it. Let us see what is in this mystery bag. So I'm feeling a lot of products in this bag, but I want to go with this one first. So this one is the Colourette Color Stick Creamy Matte in the shade Suri. So this is how much product you get. This is actually really beautiful. It's like a light pink nude type of vibe, and I'm kind of into that. So let's see if this actually matches my skin tone, because sometimes these shades of lipstick look really bad. Like, they just wash me out. I'm actually really liking the shade of this lipstick. It's a pinky with a hint of purple type of shade, and it actually matches my top right now. It's a really good pop of color type of pink, but it's not too bold, if that makes sense. It's also very comfortable on the lips. I really hate lipsticks that are very drying, but this one's actually really moisturizing, which I'm kind of surprised at because I thought it was gonna be a matte lipstick. So looking at it right now, it looks a bit glossy. It doesn't look like a matte lipstick, which is kind of surprising because it says here that it's a creamy matte. Okay, so that's what it says. It says it's a creamy matte, but to me it doesn't look very matte at all. So I think this is just a creamy lipstick, which isn't a bad thing. It's just I thought it would be matte. You know, it also has a weird candy type of smell. Like, I have no idea what the candy is, but it's a weird candy smell. Like, it's not a, ooh, this smells so yummy type of candy. It's like a, what is this type of candy smell? I mean, it doesn't smell bad. It's just, I can't place the smell. Overall, I think this lipstick is really great. I love the shade. It's actually something that surprisingly I would actually wear. Like, normally I would go for more natural looking colors, but this one, it looks really good. It also feels really good on the lips. It's very creamy, moisturizing. It's very comfortable. So this is definitely something I would wear for everyday type of looks. Next up is the Colourette Color Snap in the shade Milk. Now these, actually, I've heard so many great things about. This is how the shade Milk looks like. I actually really like the color on it. So it's a kind of tin can type of packaging. I think I figured out the smell. It smells like bazooka. Have you guys tried that out? It's this bubble gum that I used to... Actually, I ate a lot of that before. So I'm gonna try this one on my cheeks. Wow, this feels really creamy. Ooh, that is a bright orange type of shade. I don't think this matches my lip color, but you know, we're just gonna work with it. It blends out so easily. I actually thought it would be like a super bright orange type of vibe, but it's not. It looks really warm and toasty, like it just toasted up my cheeks a little bit. I feel like I should add more. So now it looks more peachy when it mixes with my skin tone, which I think looks really great. And I think I put too much, but you know, we're just gonna blend that out. This looks really good when I blended it out with my hand. So on this side, I'm gonna try blending it out with my blender. So I have my damp beauty blender. It's actually better with the beauty blender, but it looks lighter. So I'm gonna add more. 2 layers. I really like the blend with the sponge, so I'm just gonna do that to the other side. I like this color snap a lot. I think this is something I would actually use for every day. It's not your typical pinky type of blush. It's a nice peachy natural shade, which I think is really great because most of my blushes are actually pink. So it's good to have a more peachy tone type of blush. Actually, I don't think this is limited to blush. I think I can even use it for my eyes. The color of this is great and the formula is amazing. It's so soft and creamy and blendable, and this is definitely something that I can see myself using every single day. Ooh, I feel something skinny, so let's go with this one. This is the Colourette The King's limited edition dual tints. I actually saw this on their Instagram and I was hoping I would get this because you get 2 colors in one product. I really love products that are dual purpose, and this one is not only dual purpose, it has dual colors. So I think this is such a great idea for a product. The top red shade is called Happy Hour and the bottom brown shade is called Morning After. I really like the names on these. It's very clever. So I'm gonna use this one on my eye. I'm gonna go with the shade Morning After. I'm just gonna put this on my lid. Wow, this feels really, really creamy and moisturizing. And the color, it's so pigmented. That looks really good. So I just want to try to blend it out. I just want to see if you can blend it out. Ooh, it got a bit messy there when I tried to blend it out. So let's see. Okay, so it's actually blendable. Okay, so it just thins out the color a bit, but it's blendable. So I'm using a fluffier brush to blend out the edges even more. I'm just gonna reapply it in the center of my lid. Then I'm gonna add Happy Hour to my crease. Did not expect this pigmentation from the red shade. Actually, I could have just stuck to using one color on the eye, but I wanted to try both. But I think just doing one color would have been okay. I may have put too much of the red shade, so I just have to blend it out. For some reason, this red shade is a bit of a challenge. Maybe I'm just not used to how pigmented it is, but it looks really beautiful actually. I definitely put too much red, so I see no other solution. Wow, it's actually easy to remove. So I'm just gonna restart my eyes. I'm finally done with my eye look. I basically just tried to erase as much red as I could, and then I topped it off again with the brown shade. I actually really like the brown shade on this. It's great, but the red one, I may have underestimated the pigmentation of it. It's very pigmented. I feel like I could have just put one dot and I was good to go, but I put a lot. I think I put 5 per eye, so that's why I have like a pink color on my lids right now. I don't know, okay? I just know that this look isn't going as well as I thought it would. It just doesn't look very cohesive. I think I have to practice. This is not something that I can just use on the fly. I thought it would be easy. I thought I could just, you know, put it on and then you know, blend it out, but no. There was a lot of trial and error involved to get this look. It looks a bit patchy, like the product is collecting on my lines, on my crease lines in particular, which doesn't really look that good. Or I don't know, maybe I just don't know how to use this product, or maybe this is not for the eyes, but I really remember this being safe for the eyes, the cheeks, and the lips. It's just, I don't know why it's not performing as well as I wanted to on my eyes. Just, I don't know, I thought it would dry down by now, but it's basically just clumping up on my crease, which I don't know what to do about that, to be honest. So overall, I actually don't hate this product. I really like the shade. I like the shade up here for the eyes, for the cheeks, and this red shade is really good for the lips, maybe the cheeks. I don't know, I have to experiment with it. But I guess liquid eyeshadow is just not something that I'm very comfortable using yet. It's not something I do a lot, so I guess that's also why this was kind of a challenge for me. But you know what, I'm taking this challenge and I'm just gonna experiment with it and, you know, go with it. But overall, I think this is a good product. I just have to figure out how to stop the patchiness and resting on my creases and my eyes. There's a lot I have to figure out with this product. Now for the last product in here, this is the Colourette Lip Lacquer Color Glaze. I actually really like this particular box. The black and the pink look really good together. This one is the Colourette Lip Lacquer Color Glaze Lip Plumping Gloss in the shade Halle. Now this one is actually a beautiful peachy nudie type of shade, so I think this will really bring this entire look together. Well, I'm hoping. Let's see. I love this gloss. I think it made this look so much better, and this is definitely a shade that you can pair with so many different looks. It's very neutral, peachy, it complements my skin tone, and it feels really good on the lips. And it's also not the type of gloss that feels heavy or sticky on your lips. It's glossy, but it doesn't come with the stickiness that other glosses usually have, which I think is really great because I hate that heavy, sticky feeling that other glosses give. So I think this is one of my favorites from this mystery bag. This is it. This is the look I created with my new Colourette products. How do you guys like the look? Let me know in the comments down below. I was actually very impressed with most of the products. They all performed really well and they feel so good on my face. The thing that really stood out to me was the color selection. I think all of these colors are so beautiful, and it's a mix of neutral, everyday type of tones and bold colors that are still very wearable. So I think that's a very good combo. I want to compute the value of my entire mystery bag, so let's start with the Duali tint. So this one retails for $4.99 and the Color Snap retails for $2.49, and this Color Glaze retails for $4.99, as well as this Creamy Matte Lipstick, which is $4.99. All of the products in this Colourette mystery bag total $1,749 in value, but I only paid $999 for this mystery bag, so I think that is such a steal. All of these products are actually really great, so I would actually pay so much more than $9.99 for all of these. So I'm actually very happy with this purchase. I think this is a great mystery bag. I really got so much value for my money, and if you guys want to try it out, if you know you want a little mystery in your life, then I suggest you guys try this one out. I had such a fun time playing around with it, seeing all of the colors and trying out Colourette for the very first time, and I hope you guys enjoyed it as well. That's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys on my next video. Mwah!